How's it going, everybody? Felicia with Whitford and Crivitz. I hope everybody's staying warm. Of course, we all live in Wisconsin and it is freezing. We got some snow today. It's supposed to snow all day here up in Crivitz, but I have the car deal of the day. Today I have a 2010 F-150 and it is in great shape. It only has 74,000 miles on it. Let's take a look at it. Gorgeous red color. It is going to be an XLT trim level. It will have the 5.4 engine. It already does have a tonneau cover. Bringing you around back, it does have towing. And it'll have flex fuel. And of course, as you saw when we first went around, it is a crew cab. Taking a look in the back, lots of room for storage, kids. It does have the keyless entry. And it is a bench seat. You do have a power driver's seat. And my favorite feature is you have adjustable pedals. Taking a quick glance at the dash. Right now we are offering $4,000 over trade-in value. So if you are interested in this 2010 Ford F-150, give me a call here in Crivitz, 715-854-7404. And I'd be more than happy to get you in your next truck.